Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. In the beginning, prepare dedicated cable included in the original package and then connect it to the keyboard from the top, right here, and to PC to the free USB-A port. Once it's connected, you will have the prompt that you can install the dedicated app. And that's basically it. Your keyboard is now connected. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.